Hello, my loves. Today we'll be trying a slime that I got for Christmas with my friend here, Jazzy. She's not coming over here. She's a little scary right now. I think she's blind.
Oh, I got a headache. Here, take that. Move this. Move that.
Hold on. I got this Lego set because from now on, every year we do a present swap where we each have a present and we switch it. Sorry, I had to turn my light off. It's like giving both of us a headache right now. So I can turn it back on. She needs to show her face. She got that cup. And I got this cup. If you see my TikTok, you already know it. But, yeah.
Hi.
Here. She's a little ill right now. Well, she's not ill. And stomach
That's starting to go. And a cough.
We all got that cough this season, girl.
Because of how cold it is.
This is the slime. Kind of already started to open it until I had this idea. Slime looks like this. And we're going to open it now. Damn! Okay. Here we go. That's what it looks like.
I wanna play with that big green one.
Oh! I played this one.
Do you want help?
Okay, I can ask
Yes.
a question. Why do they move their heads all around like that? What's going on with that?
So, trying to figure out where the food is right now because they don't have vision for distance.
Oh.
Basically,
I got it.
they see is going to be
I got it too.
close to them.
That
So,
took-
if anything gets outside about
So
5
first,
miles
I'm going to show you
away,
all
they
the
can
slime.
really focus on it. So, kind of
Oh my
like
god, I wanna
smelling.
play with this
She
one.
knows
That's not the slime, Jazzy.
Yes, that is.
That's the top one.
Oh, I wanna put that up.
Hold on, people. Hold on. Ooh. That's just open itself. Okay, let me close it back up. No, I'm showing them every slime.
Oh, we mixed this stuff into that.
Yeah.
I just fed a sloth. This is crazy.
I don't think we have to because this one has 2 slimes. I think that's a slime. That's a slime.
Yeah, but I wanna.
You don't mix that one.
No.
We have this one. It's like a greenish.
No, they're all slimes.
Oh, that one.
No, yeah, that's a
These
slime.
these go in there. These 4
I wanna
in
put the square thingies in mine. The square foam thingies. You can have, how many are there? 4?
Yeah.
5. You could have 3 and I'll put 2 in mine.
Okay, so look, we have this one, the one Jazzy wants, but she's not opening it yet. Jasmine fish. And we have this purple one that Jazzy's also using because it's in her pile. She has
And then we're sharing this one, but we're not.
this blue one.
It's close. It's
She
algae.
has. And
It's
oops.
algae, and they have this really cool symbiotic species that only
Ooh.
exists.
My color is this pink one. I have 2. And then I have this yellow one. And this nice pretty blue one. That just opened on itself. And then I want this one. I want these 2.
I want this.
So why do you think they might climb out of
And
the
then
tree?
we have a middle one.
Once in a while.
We have a middle one that we're both gonna split. These 2 are the ones Jazzy's having.
2 choices.
And then I'm having these 2.
There you go, number 2. Yes.
And I'm white.
And so there's actually a couple of theories when they climb down.
And on my TikTok, I did a TikTok
Oh, I can't even open it.
that goes, girl, can I rock your world? Chocolate and vanilla swirl. And it's me and her. But she needs to show her face. Come on. Come actually sit with me.
Bro, come right here.
Oh, I found this.
The moths don't exist
Oops.
without the sloth. And of course the algae that grows on them
Okay.
to hide
These,
the
Yeah.
we have these.
and there's
These
just
white
like
cubies.
occasionally I suppose like an
These
ocelot
glitter
or
sparkles.
something
Everyone
like
we don't want.
really ambitious.
Oh,
Going
I
to the
know.
tree might be able to make a meal out of
No, I'm
them.
just throwing them at you.
Those look like sprinkles.
Silver,
And they're
there.
they're safe
Silver ones.
unless they come down to the ground.
And
And they
these
only do it for
balls.
that reason.
Oh, yeah.
No. Wait, if you go plug in my Christmas lights, then you go plug in my lights, I can turn this light off.
Keep that on.
know what? I'm gonna go turn it off because this is gonna be like. I'm gonna go turn
Oh,
my
yeah.
Christmas lights on.
Oh.
Ready?
Some pet supplies. I think I'm ready to actually take this thing on for my own. I'll be back.
Dave, I don't think he gets it.
No, he definitely doesn't.
Do those give you a headache more or
First of all, he
less?
doesn't need to go to the pet store and just get, well, we're feeding sweet potato and a little zucchini.
Those were my medals.
Had to go to the pet store.
Nothing
for that.
broke.
I'm kind of concerned.
I swear to
about
God, nothing broke.
They don't sell
Okay,
bags
so
or cans of
now we're gonna
stuff.
make it. Come on, Jasmine Fiske!
Stop yelling at me.
So now we're gonna make this. I'm gonna start with my blue one, my pretty blue one.
I'm gonna
Show
start
us
with
one
my pretty clear.
She's gonna start with her pretty. Damn, she's gonna start with her green one. If I can open this, it's like water.
It's like a water. It's like Jello, actually. And you scratched me.
See.
Sign up now.
Blech!
You got slime in your mouth.
Can you help me open it? I can't open it.
Open it. Don't.
Oh, it's mine anyways. It's staying with me.
I know.
So no, I can't touch it. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get your game on. Hey.
Ow!
I'm squishing hers because I'm bored.
Yeah, I can't open it. You're gonna have to grab scissors and stab it.
I'm not doing scissors.
In front of you, you have a ton of tools. Open it up. Bring out the watermelon. Not a watermelon. You get 3 watermelons.
Ew, Jesse.
Sugar daddy at
Sorry.
the front.
Sugar daddy.
All right, Anthony, here we go. Whoever has the best watermelon art after 4 hours wins $5,000. But not for you, for someone in your family.
I just almost ate that. I got it open.
Now, Mackenzie, any thoughts about sculpting with
It's like water. And now we get to add our stuff in it that we want.
Alright, which one do I want to add?
I want
I want to
this
add the balls. I want to add one of those in it.
To that one,
No, yeah, one of those in that.
and then you have one left. Or do you only want to use one?
Parents,
I only want to use
is
one.
anyone gonna start carving yet? All right, we're gonna speed
I want to
up this
only use one of those.
because nobody's carving yet. So first person to carve a star in their watermelon gets a huge advantage. Go. It needs to be. You need to dig it out. Whoever finishes first, raise your hand.
I
I'll
think
come
these
check to see.
are little foam balls, so like foam squares.
Jake,
Here.
let me see yours. All right, Jake, you win this mini challenge. Jake, you're about to
Gonna
have
put
to
this in there.
steal someone's
So you can put
watermelon. So someone's only gonna
little
have 2 watermelons
cube-
to work with, and Jake
cube
will have
balls.
4. Are you gonna
No,
grab
little
Mackenzie's
balls.
melons?
Yeah, don't put all those balls in there.
I get 3, you get 3.
And I'm gonna put these little cubes in there. She only wanted one cube, trust me. She only
Mackenzie, I
wanted
see you
one.
have quite a lot of carbs so far. What are you making?
I'm going to be making
I'm going to put my hood on because why not? I put pajama pants out in a black crop top, so it's a random. What day is it?
Tuesday.
It's a random Tuesday, so this is what it looks like taking. Oh, shit. Hey,
This is way harder than I expected.
they definitely should have given you way more cubes.
Is everyone ready for the second challenge? These are watermelon Sour Patch Kids. So the first person to finish their pack of watermelon Sour Patch Kids gets to scoop out and take
Look.
2 bites out of someone's watermelon.
How juicy that is.
One has to be right now.
This
Another
is
one
the
can be
HC
anytime
behind me.
later during
I
this
love
challenge.
UCHC,
You take a scoop
but
out,
sometimes
eat
your
it.
videos
So
are
they
a
can just see
little
someone's
long,
artwork. 3,
especially when you
2,
add the
1, go.
compilations. Hour. Yeah, but
I'll pour them all in my mouth.
what?
How many more do you have?
Ooh. He's stuck in your mouth. They don't go to surface, obviously.
Go take a scoop out of someone's
It's
watermelon
from
right now
Moana.
and eat it.
The sea. It calls me. Oh! It's on my bed. It's on my bed. It's on my bed.
Has a chunk taken out of it. How are you gonna fix this up?
Can I feel it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's way more slimier than mine.
but it's not sticky though.
Okay, Mom, so this is what I have so far. I hope you're proud of it.
I made my own DIY slime.
I was crazy.
Fell in my bed. But my blanket's blue.
So since we're carving watermelons, I thought it would be a very
But my bed sheet isn't because my comforter's blue. I need to get a new one because my one is going for a green and pink theme because my sister loves pink. And they share a room, but she never sleeps in it. She always sleeps on my couch. So yeah, we always try to make her sleep in her bed, but she sleeps on the couch. And
I'm moving on to the next one. I'm moving on to this one.
I guess we're supposed to move on now.
If you don't catch it, you have to use nothing but a spoon for 30 minutes.
Okay, so
Oh, that feels so good.
Oh, all right.
I'm gonna use my pink one. This pink one.
That's too easy.
I don't want to go through the trauma again.
I don't want to put any on. I don't want to put any in this one.
Yeah, those ones I don't advise putting something in. I'm gonna put the balls in these ones. Actually, no, I want to add sprinkles and the balls. Can I get the sprinkle pack?
Yeah, leave some for me though.
And then after we're done trying all these slimes, we're going to make a Lego video of how I build a Lego set.
But she's gonna do that. I'm not gonna.
You're gonna help?
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
She's helping.
No, I'm not. I don't like the. That
Or she's
kind.
going home.
I'm not gonna help. No, I don't like building Legos.
So why you have Lego cars at your house?
I lied about that. That's Caleb.
He did. Why didn't you like that one?
Huh?
Was that one yours or his?
Mine.
Do you have any more Legos?
No.
I wanted Legos, but I didn't get them. I don't know why. Santa, tell me, why didn't you give me none?
I don't like this one.
You get the point. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Well, you just said you liked it and moaned.
Oh, Jazz, you have 300 watermelon presses. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You are safe.
You should put those in the green one.
Jake,
What?
you also have 300 watermelon presses. And in fact,
I'm thinking about it. That's if you don't want to use it.
Do you want to use this pink one still?
No.
You're safe. Jazz, Jake, grab a watermelon and come with me.
I'm moving on. I don't know about you.
I still got 50 more. Come on, Jake, more tension, more tension.
Did you call my name?
Huh?
Are you done, Jazz?
She's yelling.
Grab a small chunk of watermelon and go stand with your butts touching the counter. Alright, so we're gonna play a little game. Get the watermelon
Oh my God,
chunk in
look.
the garbage can and you
It's
don't have to use
a
it.
cupcake now.
Oh no, I don't like this one. It's kinetic sand.
Nice,
I don't like it.
nice.
Ew, it's so nasty. It's like slime but kinetic sand.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't like this.
This is. And at the
It
end of the
sucks.
video, we'll rate them. Oh, okay, that's the
only
sprinkles.
use
Never mind.
your bare hands. Good luck.
At the end, we'll rate all of them and name them because that's what I do. It's pink, guys, and it's so much fun to play with. I hate the color pink. I despise it. So, the reason I'm doing it is pink is because it's for my sister's bed, not mine. My bed is green because, well, it was the prettiest color I've seen, okay?
Oh, this one's already open. What the heck?
What?
Izzy,
I think that one came open.
Yep, she made her decision.
Then the one on your side.
Izzy, do what you gotta do.
I feel bad about this.
Alright, time to move on to the next one because I can't be taken away.
Izzy, those are so
Sad
cool
and
how you
depressing.
Yeah, I don't like this one. This one sucks. Move on to my last one. The shape thing, I'm gonna put the sprinkles in it. These ones. Can I put all of them in it?
I said you should put the.
No, I don't. No.
Oh, you already did the balls in there.
And I did a piece of.
Ew, I automatically don't like this. I'm not even playing with it. It's this one.
Uh-oh.
It's the yellow one. Thank you.
Bro.
How many do you have?
This is my last one.
Hands in the air, everyone. Mackenzie, we're gonna start with you. Tell us about
I'm putting. Can I put all these in there? Since I let you put all the sprinkles in the other one.
I want some more.
But I let you put all the sprinkles in that one.
I know, I just want a little bit for this one. Just like 5. I don't want a lot. This one's like the pink one, so I don't really care about it. Ooh, wrong cover. I just want a little bit. I don't want a lot for them.
I mean, considering you scrapped everything and you
Fell.
this in
You can add some in that cap.
One,
Not actually 5, Jazzy.
3,
Just fill up that cap and then you can have the rest.
I really like how you carved the scales on the dragon. It's actually a really nice touch. With some nice textures back here. I would say one of your better art pieces.
So I was making Venom.
Yeah, that's all I
lost
want.
a bit of time because I had to salvage the eye a little bit. It turned out okay, but I had a lot more.
I put it in when the slime's in my hand, really.
Sitting in Izzy's stomach, and in another couple hours, it's not. I think you went for a very jack-o'-lantern-like approach. The eye still turned out really nice. Overall, very detailed and very impressive.
My intentions were to make a skull.
I like how you carved it out. It's a very solid piece. I can see all the skeletal structure. I like how even the teeth, you can see the difference between the skull.
Look how pretty this is, Jazzy.
Overall, very nice. Alright, I feel like everyone here did really well. This is the hardest part for me, but
No, I don't know if I
I'm
want to
gonna have to start
outdoors.
eliminating you because only one person will be able to win.
think I
Alright, Jazz, I'm so sorry. As impressive as your 1 hour sculpture was, you're out. Mackenzie, I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
that
but
means
Snake didn't make it.
Just
Final
in case,
three,
why is
Jake.
the chance to get
I really, really love your Venom, but at the end of the day, the mouth wasn't complete. I'm sorry. You're gonna be out there. Izzy and Michelle, you two are in the finals. Here's where it gets interesting. Artists,
pretty,
come over
but
here.
add
Even though
some
you guys are
more.
out, I'm gonna let you decide which one is the better art piece. Judges, come with me for a moment. The final decision lies in your hands.
You know that light green one that you added the balls in?
Yeah.
Alright, we have a decision.
You can
For the 2021
have the
Watermelon
rest of it.
Sculpting Olympics, we have a unanimous winner,
Look how pretty
Michelle.
that
Michelle!
Yes!
Michelle, how long has it been since you've won a crafts challenge?
Like
Oh.
85 months.
That's a long time.
is. Ooh, that video always comes up, like the completion of all of them.
Because he's gonna send it up.
And then after,
That was just the first challenge. Later in this video, we still
we're gonna
have
rate
banana,
them.
pancake,
Worst to
pasta,
best.
and so many
1
other
being the
art
worst, 10 being the best.
Today,
Okay.
we will be making art out of
No
pumpkins.
hate to the brand, so.
Oh, this one's sticky.
We have
But
over
I don't know
100
the brand.
pumpkins, small ones, large ones, all shapes and sizes.
Some of these weren't even
Pumpkin
supposed to
art
be
after
filled.
6 hours wins up to 5
Like the
grand per
box says,
subscriber.
some of them don't look filled, but the ones we filled like don't look filled.
With
Like the
juggling of a
purple one isn't filled, but the pink one isn't either.
I know.
But the yellow one, like the kinetic sand one you had, is supposed to be filled, but we're not doing that because
Alright,
that's.
guys, go grab me a pumpkin from over there.
Okay, are you ready to rate them?
Yeah.
Put it in front of me, Michelle.
hold
You
on.
just let Mackenzie beat you. You wouldn't beat Mackenzie, but you still
Who's
won
going
Canada.
first? You?
Jake, you're first.
Okay.
Come with me.
I don't like this one.
What do you rate it?
3 out of 10.
3 out of
Michelle's
10?
gonna be one of them because she was last, and then the other one you can choose.
Not my giant.
This one, didn't really like. I give it a 4 out of 10.
Alright, Jake, who's next?
This one, a 1 out of 10. This one, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I think Jake did more damage by knocking
This one, 0 out of 10.
I'm going to be making a pencil.
I just now playing the phone one. So.
I'm very confident.
This one, this one, 0 out of 10 outside. This one, 5 out of 10.
I like this one.
This one, a 10 out of 10, my favorite. This one,
Pretty lopsided.
a 10 out of 11 out of 10 out of 10. This one,
I'm thinking of making it into a cowboy.
You are
didn't really like. I want
Half of it's gonna
6,
be zombie
2 out of 10.
pumpkin, and then half of it's gonna be regular pumpkin.
That's what I'm doing.
So
Heard my idea, then you copied it.
that's the rating for those, and
Oh, I don't want it.
hope you guys have a good day.
Lame.
I'll give you $10 if you take a bite out of
Hold
this.
on. Alright, bye my loves.
Sitting somebody